My name is C.A.W.S. and today in this video we are going to learn a few shortcut Vedic maths techniques to calculate the squares. After this method, so we are going to see 2-3 tricks, and after these tricks you should be able to calculate the squares of 1 to 1000 within 5 to 7 seconds. 5 से 7 सेकेंड में कोई भी नंबर का स्क्वायर आपको आना चाहिए कैलकुलेट करते हुए. It shouldn't take a lot of time. So let's start today's session. Let's start with the tricks. So let's see the first trick. First trick क्या है? Suppose if I ask you what is 56 square? What is 56 square? हम क्या करेंगे? 5 का स्क्वायर लिख लेंगे 25. 6 का स्क्वायर लिख लेंगे 36. इनको कंबाइन कर लिया 2536. एक और चीज क्या करनी है? यू आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई 5 इंटू 6 इंटू दिस पावर. ठीक है, तो 5 इंटू 6 इंटू 2. 5 6 is 30, 32 becomes 60. अभी क्या करोगे? ये जो नंबर है वो आपको ये मिडिल 2 डिजिट्स के नीचे लिखना है. यू आर गोइंग टू राइट दीज 2 numbers below these digits. So it is going to be 60. Now what will you do? You will add these numbers. This will become 36. 25 plus 6 is 31. So 3136 becomes your answer. So it hardly takes 5 to 7 seconds to solve these squares. Let's take another example. Suppose if I ask you, let's say what is 33 square? What is 33 square? 3 का स्क्वायर हो गया 9, ये भी 3 का स्क्वायर हो गया 9. बट एक बात याद रखना, जो भी ये डिजिट है, for this digit you're supposed to write 2 numbers. For the second digit you're supposed to write 2 numbers. But this is only 9, so I'll put a 0 here. So my number becomes 909. Now what will we do? We will multiply. So this will be 3 into 3 into this power 2. So this will be 9 into 2, which is 18. So 18 को I will write below these 2 digits. Remember, ये जो भी प्रोडक्ट आता है, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू राइट बिलो द लास्ट डिजिट. यू आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्रॉम द सेकेंड लास्ट डिजिट. ठीक है, सो आई राइट 18 हियर. आई विल एड दीज 2. सो दिस विल बिकम 10, 89. So 1089 is your answer. So it hardly took any time. So this is one of the best methods to calculate squares of anything easily. Let's see some more examples. Suppose if I ask you what is, let's say, 62 square? What is 62 square? 6 square is 36. 2 square is 4. But I told you इसके 2 digit होने चाहिए. So you will write it as 04. Now you multiply the digits. So you will get 6 into 2 into this 2. Right? So 12 into 2 is 24. So I will write 24 here. So your answer will be 3844. Hardly took any time. Okay? Now, let's take some another example. Suppose if I ask you, what is 98 square? What is 98 square? 9 square is 81. 8 square is 64. ठीक है? अब इनको multiply करो. So what will you get? 9 into 8 into 2. So this is 9 into 8, which is 72. 72 का double is 144. अभी 144 you will write here escaping the last digit. ठीक है, तो 144 इधर आ जाएगा. If I add this, you will have 4. This will become 0. This will become 6. This will become 9. So 9604 becomes your answer. You can even check these answers on your calculator whether they are right or wrong. But make sure you understand the technique. Now, suppose, let's say, if I ask you 3 digit number का square. देखो, 100 square is 10,000. ठीक है? So it is a 5 digit number. So all the squares above 100 are going to be 5 digits at least. कम से कम 5 digit का number तो होगा. Suppose if I ask you, what is 103 square? इसको split करोगे. कैसे split करोगे? 10 को बना लो एक number and 3 को बना लो एक number. So this is one group, this is another group. Now 10 square is 100. 3 square is 9. But I told you For the last digit, you have to write 2 digits, right? So for 3, I'm going to write a 09. Now multiply these numbers. So this will be 10 into 3 into 2. So this will become 60. So 60 इधर नीचे लिख लो. So your answer will be 10609. This is 103 square. It hardly took any time. Okay, now suppose if I ask you, what is 112 square? What is 112 square? Let's say you split it this way. Okay? So 11 square is 121. 2 square is 4. But you're going to write it as 04. Abhi multiply karo. So 11 into 2 into 2. So this will become 44. So I'm going to write 44 here. Okay? Last digit chhod ke. So your value will be 12544. This is 112 square. Let's take one more example. Suppose if I ask you, what is 129 square? What is 129 square? Dekho, split this as 12 and 9. 12 square is 144. 9 square is 81. Correct? Now multiply these two. 12 into 9 into 2. Okay? 12 9s is 108. 108 into 2 becomes 216. So you're going to write this number here. So this will become 216. If I add this, I will get 1. This will become 14. This will become 661. So 16641 is 129 square. Suppose if I ask you, what is, let's say, 241 square? 241 square. ठीक है, थोड़ा बड़ा नंबर है. Split this as 24 and 1. 24 का square you should know. 24 का square you should know. So 24 square is 576. 1 square I will write it as 0, 1. अभी multiply करो. 24 into 1 into 2. So this will become 48. So this 48 will come here. So your answer will be 81. This will become 0, this will become 8, and this is 5. So 58081 is 241 square. So this is how you're going to solve the sums by this technique, which is our first technique. Now let's look at the second method. The second method is very similar to the first method, but thoda minor changes here. What are the changes? I'll tell you. Dekho, first of all, if I ask you, what is a plus b the whole square? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square. How am I supposed to apply this technique? Suppose if I ask you, what is 57 square? तो जैसे हमने previous technique में किया था, mind you, this technique and the previous technique is very similar. छोटा सा change है, that I'll tell you. 5 square will become 25. 7 square will become 49. और बीच में आएगा plus 2ab. So 2 into 5 into 7. 2 5s are 10, 10 7s are 70. ठीक है, अभी क्या करेंगे? Understand. क्या करेंगे? This 9 I will write as it is. This 4 and 0 will get added. So 0 and 4 becomes 4. This 7 will get added with 5. So 7 plus 5 will become 12 and 2 plus 1 will become 3. So 3249 is 57 square. Let's say, for example, if I ask you what is 64 square, you will write it as 6 square, which is 36, 4 square, which is 16, and बीच में आएगा 2ab. So that is 2 into 6 into 4. 2 6s are 12, 12 4s are 48. Now how will you write this? 6 will be as it is. ठीक है? 1 और 8 add हो जाएगा. So it will become 9. 4 and 6 will get added. It will become 10. So 1 will get carried. And 3 plus 1 will become 4. So 4096 is your answer. Now you will say this is very similar to the previous technique. तो difference क्या है? यहाँ पे the difference comes for the 3-digit numbers. What is the difference? Let's see. देखो, I'll give you 2 examples. Suppose if I ask you what is 123 square. हम लोग generally split कैसे करते हैं? 12 and 3. ठीक है? So 12 square is 144. 3 square is 9. ठीक है? And बीच में 12 into 3 is 36. 36 का डबल हो जाएगा 72. ठीक है? 72. Let's say I put a 0 here. If you're not comfortable, you can write it as 09. What happens? 9 will come down. 0 और 2 add हो जाएगा, it will become 2. 7 and 4 will get added, it will become 11. 4 plus 1 will become 5 and this one will be as it is. So 15129 is your answer. But suppose if I give you a very big number, very big 3-digit number. Let's say for example I ask you what is 912 square. Abhi if you split this as 91 and 2, it is going to make your sum very complicated because 91 का square पहले calculate करो फिर substitute करो, it's going to make it lengthy. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Let's split this as 9 and 12. ठीक है? This is a difference. We are splitting it as 9 and 12. यहाँ पे कैसे किया था? 2 digits and 1 digit. अभी क्या कर रहे हैं? 1 digit and 2 digits. So थोड़ा सा change आएगा. क्या change आएगा? Let's see. 9 square is 81. ठीक है? 12 square is 144. बीच में आएगा 2AB. So 2AB means what? 2 into 9 into 12. 12 nines are 108. 108 का double will be 216. Now understand what is the difference. See, because we are taking 2 digits in the end, here also we are going to keep 2 digits. So this will be 44. ठीक है? 1 will get added to the 6, so it will become 7. ठीक है? 1 will get added to the 6, it will become 7. This 1 will also come as it is because we are taking 2 digits. 2 will get added to 1, so it will become 3 and this 8 will be as it is. So 831744 is the answer for 912 square. If you want, you can check the value on the calculator as well. Now let's take a few more examples. Suppose if I ask you, what is 816 square? ठीक है? 81 का square calculate करना थोड़ा difficult है. So what you can split this as? 8 and 16. 8 square will become 64. 16 square you should know is 256. Plus बीच में you're going to have 2AB. So that will be 2 into 8 into 16. 2 into 8 is 16. 16 into 16 is 256. So I'm going to write 256 here. Now how we are going to club it? Because यहाँ का 2 digits लिया है, you're going to take 2 digits here also. So this 56 will be as it is. 2 will get added to 6, it will become 8. You're going to take this number as it is, 5. Generally हम ये दोनों number नीचे लेते हैं. This 2 will get carried, 2 plus 4 will become 6 and this 6 will be as it is. So 6655856 is the answer for 816 square. Let's take another example. Suppose if I ask you what is 724 square. 724 square. How will you split 7 and 24? So what will you have? 7 square is 49. 24 square is, let's say, 570. Wait, I'll write it here. 576 plus 7 into 2 into 24. 24 2s is 48, so this will be 7 into 48. 8 7s is 56, 7 4s are 28 plus 3, 33. So 336 I will be writing here. What will we do now? 2 digits इधर से आएगा 76. 5 will get carried, 6 plus 5 is 11, 1 इधर आ जाएगा. This 4 will be as it is. 3 will get added, 3 plus 9 is 12 and this will become 5. So this is the answer for 724 square. Now let's take a couple of more examples by this method. Suppose if I ask you what is 512 square? You can split this as 51 and 2. वैसा नहीं करना है. So 5 and 12 is also okay. So what will happen? 5 square is 25. 12 square is 144. बीच में क्या आएगा? This will be 5 into 12 into 2. 12 5 is 60. 60 का double is 120. So I'm going to write 120 here. Now how we are going to split it? 4 will come down. 1 will get carried to this, so this will become 1. This 2 will come here, it will be 2. 1 will get carried, this will become 6 and 2 will be as it is. So this is the answer for 512 square. Let's take one last example. Suppose if I ask you what is 431 square? 431. You can split this as 43 and 1 or 4 and 31. 31 square is easy to calculate. What is 31 square? It is 961. So suppose if I split it this way. Okay? So 4 square is 16. 31 square is 961. Okay? Now if I multiply this will be 4 into 31 into 2. Right? So can I say it is 8 into 31? So this will become 248. 248. Now these two digits will be as it is. 9 will get added to 8. So 8 and 9 will become 17. 4 will become 5. 2 will get carried. So 2 plus 6 is 8 and 1 will be as it is. So this is the answer for 431 square. I hope your concept is clear here. So people, in this video, we have seen a few techniques to calculate squares as quickly as possible. In the next video, we are going to see a few more techniques to calculate squares as well as cubes. So if you liked the video, if you found it to be useful, do give it a like and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.